Our third quick win is rank your losses. With so many losses to choose from, how do you decide where to focus? One of the fastest ways to improve manufacturing productivity is to relentlessly focus on minimizing production losses, beginning with your largest source of lost production time, from the perspective of the constraint, of course. In other words, focus your attention on the smallest set of improvement actions that will yield the biggest results. We recommend following a simple 3-step process. Track, pick, fix. Track is where you capture accurate top loss information. Pick is where you select actions based on the top loss information. Fix is where you implement improvement actions. Why do we recommend this process? It is very easy to understand, and that means it's more likely to be followed. By the way, do you recognize this process? It is based on IDA, information, decision, action, results. Let's start with track. Every manufacturing company tracks what they've made, but few accurately track what they've lost, productive time. The goal of the track step is to accurately capture all of your losses using time as a unifying metric. That enables you to compare across all OEE losses: availability loss, performance loss, and quality loss. Here is an example of losses ranked by lost time. Notice how natural it is to want to focus on the areas where you can have the largest impact on throughput, whether availability, performance, or quality. Here is an example of an expanded top losses report. It provides additional information about each loss, including detailed trend information. The second step is pick, which is ideally executed in a highly collaborative meeting. Brief, positive, and focused. When picking the top loss on which to focus, select the largest production loss where your team has ideas on actions that they can take, minimal external resources are required, and actions can be taken right away. The third step is fix. Fix is where your team implements the agreed upon actions. Remember to stay focused, both on the selected loss and on the agreed actions. When the fix step is complete, repeat the process and monitor the effectiveness of previous fixes. Spark lines with trend information are particularly helpful for this type of analysis. Don't forget to celebrate success, call attention to wins, and encourage progress. As a quick review, track all losses in terms of lost time. Pick the largest loss for which your team has ideas. Fix it by applying those ideas. Now that you're an expert in ranking your losses, what's next?